My dear countrymen, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Walaikum Salam. People's Voice Society has been very thankful to you that you have been listening to the previous recordings. And now tomorrow you start a new year, and we thought it was the opportune time to once again communicate to you. But this time there has been some delay in the recording because my colleague Sarfaraz, who does the job of recording and putting it, editing and putting it, uploading it, was traveling for business purposes, and there has been a gap which we never wanted. So we are once again with you to find out what effect our previous recording had on the start of the mindset change. In the last recording, People's Voice Society recommended, advised and suggested that in your friend circle start including people from all communities of India, those communities which comprise of the total population are now seen as separate entities. The law recognizes them separately. The constitution, makes them keeps them in separate segments, and that has resulted that 75 years of independent India could not become one united, cohesive society to have a peaceful and tranquil, progressive society which could forge ahead as a developed country. We could not make that much economic progress as we could have done had there been better social environment in the country. People's Voice Society has been regularly advocating that the incentives provided in the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 be deepened and widened. Today I am glad to share with you that the state government of Rajasthan has taken a very bold step. They have escalated the incentives from 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. This is a very good sign, and that also shows that our last 7-8 years of working on the incentives, it has started making some dent, some effect. So, my dear countrymen, with the onset of 2023, please start thinking towards this change of mindset. My appeal in the last recording has been primarily to the advanced age citizens of India, those who have children of marriageable age. Their mindset change will bring a change quicker. As I said last time, the younger generation who are of marriageable age, due to gradual coming in the co-education system in our country, intercaste, interregion marriages have been increasing, but more in the educated circle. This mindset change must start from the rural areas. Those of you who are listening to me have connections with the rural segments, the people living in villages. Their mindset change is more important because the life starts from there. They are part of India. They are not outside India, as when many people define India and Bharat. Bharat is India, India is Bharat. they have to unite, they have to combine, they have to become one unified force. Therefore, my suggestion to all citizens of India is to start thinking on wider scale. Start thinking, making changes in your thinking, and start living together as one family, whether you profess any religion, whether you belong to any caste. Internally, all human beings have the same organs, they have same blood, everything is the same. Our divisions are superficial, are only skin deep, and let them also vanish with the coming time. Many thanks for listening to me. Wish you a very, very prosperous and peaceful, healthy 2023, and may God bless you all. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Walaikum Salam, Sat Sri Akal.